Alright, so welcome back to our channel. If you're first time here, my name is Dominica and you are most definitely welcome. In today's video, as you can see from the title, we are going to be doing a part 2 of our previous week that we constructed, the 2x6 week, and today we're going to be installing her. She is a vibe. She is beautiful. And a little backstory, Toke has been in creation even before we officially became Wiglistic D. Like literally one of the weeks I used to make, and it's still our best-selling week, I'm telling you, and it is phenomenal, beautiful. Like you're gonna see. But anyways, it's a 2x6 closure, and it's the girl. Like, hurry up and grab her. Am I talking too much? Okay, let's get into the video. So. In here, and the word says you deserve to feel beautiful and confident. That's our motto. Every lady deserves to feel beautiful and confident. It doesn't matter who you are, what shade, what color, how you look, you deserve it. Okay, so taking her out, there she is. Okay, very well constructed, as you can see from our last video. The knots are going to come bleached with a very stretchy elastic band and custom fit. I'm a size medium. Okay, now let's put her on. This is how she's gonna come straight out of the bag. Now, I got a little scissors happy, I'm not gonna lie. So, I'm thinking of bringing her more towards the chin side. Okay, so she's gonna be sitting right here, but she's still giving. So there she is, and we are going to go ahead and cut our lace. And I know I've shown you like several millions of times how to cut your lace. You can even go under our YouTube shorts, and I have a video right there showing you how to cut your lace. Today we're going to be using our old scissors, and we're going to go ahead and cut the lace. Let me zoom you guys in so you can see. Okay, go ahead and cut the lace. Always cut it in a zigzag motion, very close to the hairline. Take your time, no rush. Okay, no rush. That's it. Very quick and easy. Now you see that white cast that is showing. I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation shade, and of course you know already we are using the Ruby Kisses in the shade 15, and we're going to be using the darker shade in here. I'm using a very small brush. I'm going to go ahead and put it on my lace. See the difference? Here is the white, and here you cannot see anything. same thing on this other side. Putting something on my parting space, not to make it look too white. Okay, and there you go. And if you need it, just add. And it's like, that's it. You literally don't have to do anything. That's it. Okay, of course I think we're going to improve on the way it's going to look by adding some length to it, but other than that, it is giving what it's supposed to give from God, and I'm obsessed and in love with it. Let us know what you think. Alright, fine babes, thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. Few things about this wig. So she's going to be a 2x6 inch HD closure wig. Okay, she's going to come in 10 inch because this is 8, so I'll make her 10 actually to sit right down here. And third of all, she's coming with already bleached knot, pre-plucked. If you even need us to cut the lace for you, we're going to cut the lace for you. She comes with an elastic band, okay? And last but not the least, by the time you see this video, she's up on sale, meaning she'll be available to shop on our website, and I'll put a clip right here. You can go ahead and shop. You're going to have a special discount, which is going to be 15% off. Okay, you're gonna have 15% off this month of February, because by the time you see this video, either it's going to be the last week of January or the first week of February, and it's available to shop. And you can use the code VAL #VAL24 to shop. Either you shop this week or any other week that catches your eye on our website. You can go ahead and shop the week. And yeah, let us know in the comment section how you feel, how you're feeling about it. We'll gladly love to know your feedbacks, and we'll love to see our fine babes making sure this week gets out of the door and you're slaying like we're slaying, because all of us need to slay. In 2024, as I said, you deserve to look beautiful and confident. This is what it takes for you to feel that way. Don't hesitate. I'm telling you, don't hesitate. Run and grab it while it lasts. So I have set my own. Anyways, thank you so much and have a good one, and see you in my next video.